What if every dollar you spend on ads brought you back more targeted customers and then more money? Yeah, Meta and Google have done smart ad targeting for years, but by using Grok 4, X platform just raised the bar. Hey, my name is Mo, and in this channel I'm talking about how to use AI to grow your business and marketing. So stay tuned. Picture this. You're launching an ad campaign on X, and Grok 4 instantly analyzes trending topics and user vibes to make your ads pop up by using its deep search feature. Grok 4 pulls live data from X and spotting hot trends like a sport event or viral meme, and tailors your ads to match and boost your engagement. Early tests show Grok 4 can increase ad engagement by up to 20% by aligning with what's trending and giving brands a real-time edge. Imagine you own a sport brand and your paid ads are shown right in front of X users during the FIFA World Cup, exactly when excitement is at its peak. That's the power of precision targeting with Grok 4. With Grok 4, it's not just about data, it's about dominating attention in real time. This means higher click-through rate and conversions for all kinds of businesses, from brand new startups to global brands. Through XAI's API, Grok 4 automates ad campaigns management, optimizing budgets, scheduling posts, and picking the best hashtags. But be careful. Some X posts flagged Grok 4's occasional biases. So make sure to review and check outputs to stay on point and don't make a mistake. So now, whether you are a marketer or business owner, you need to be obsessed about your marketing strategy. In this video, I'll show you how you can use Grok to optimize your marketing strategy by super simple method and only by copying successful and your competitors' marketing strategy. Watch that video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.